All right, skip to and find this problem in your packet. This is under the rotations, okay? We are going to need our compass, okay, to do the rotation. All right, so looking at this notation, it says we're going to rotate around point E 75 degrees, which means in this case this is positive, so we're going to go clockwise, okay? And we're going to rotate this this segment, VU. Okay, so that having been said, okay, okay, that having been said, let me move my paper out of the way here. Okay, so I am going to first take my compass, and I am going to go from the center of E to V, and I'm going to figure out what dot on my compass goes through V, and it happens to go through there. I'm going to make sure you keep your brad on E, okay? And because I'm going clockwise, I'm going to draw my circles this way, okay? Same thing with from E to H. Now I got to figure out what H is. It's going to be slightly different. Oops, I moved it. I'm so sorry. Okay, so from E to V, yeah, we had this one right here. Now I'm going to draw a line from E to V. Okay, now I'm going to use my protractor, and it says we're going to go 75 degrees. So we're going to go 75 degrees clockwise. So I'm going to put my protractor point on E and line up that segment, and I'm going to go 75 degrees. So 75 degrees is right here, and I'm going to draw a line between E and that. Okay, so I'm using this line, so this is going to be V prime. V prime is right there. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing from E, okay, to H. Okay, again, I'm going to draw a line from E to H. Okay, and I'm going to go 75 degrees, but then I have to line everything up, put my center of my protractor there. I'm going to go 75 degrees. Okay, make my mark. Now, H is on the bigger circle, so there is H prime. Okay, so V prime to H prime rotated 75 degrees. In this case, it would be clockwise, would be up there. Okay, now, this one says that I'm going to rotate around Q, and I'm going to rotate M, N, and I'll rotate negative 30 degrees. So I'm rotating counterclockwise that direction. Okay. Again, take your protractor, or compass, excuse me, put it on Q, figure out where it goes through M, get yourself a circle. We are going to be going counterclockwise, so we're going to go that direction. That's why I'm going to put it over there. Okay, same thing from Q to N. There we go. That one's better. And again, I need to go around that way. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line from Q to M. Segment, anyway. Okay. I'm going to use my protractor. I'm going to line it up. Now, I am going counterclockwise, so I'm going 30 degrees here. Counterclockwise. Put my little mark there. Draw my line. There's my 30 degrees. Okay, so this is where M prime is going to be. M prime. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing. Again, I'm going to have to go from Q to N on the outer circle in this case. Q to N, yes. And again, I'm going to use my protractor. I'm going to put it on Q, line it up with that line. Make sure it's nice and even. There we go. And I'm going to go 30 degrees counterclockwise. There's my 30 degrees. I'm going to draw I'm going to make sure my line goes through the mark and to the circle as well. Whoops. Okay. So N is going to be here. N prime is going to be here, which means my segment M prime N prime, okay, rotated 30 degrees, looks like that.